Tanika, show everyone how you take a shot of Gatorade. Tanika! Go! Tanika?
Alright. Rule number 1. Pick up the Gatorade. Stop making me laugh.
Just tell everyone how you
You gotta look at the Gatorade.
examine it.
Examine.
Make sure no chemicals.
Take drugs.
You gotta smell it. Alright. Put your cap on.
Then you can't drink it.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Make sure you got enough 40s. Alright. Yes. You gotta smell it again. Then you put it up. And remember like the strange thing you did? Like your first fight? Well, I don't think you ever had a fight, so I can tell y'all that part. But for me, just to that white bitch that called me a nigga, and I beat her up. And you save it.
Why is that Tanika?
You're not gonna take the shot?
Pause.
Take the shot. Take it.
She's thinking about all her time.
Oh. You gotta step.
What's the next step?
You gotta slap somebody before you.
I know you don't.
Let's
So they gotta take one for the team. Where's Hyper?
skip that step.
You guys just in the TV?
So is that it, Tanika?
No.
Take it.
You guys, you know what? This is for y'all niggas.
Watch your language.
Niggas in the